Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on overlay screens, just click on it. You come to next CPR, come here to show message calls overlay. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us here. That's mean show message calls overlay enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for your watching.